Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water line union in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water line union. The water line union is located at the top back of the water line in the rear of the refrigerator. It connects the water lines. If you are experiencing water puddles on the floor coming from the back of the fridge, smaller ice cubes, or less water pressure from the water fountain, then pull out the fridge, check and replace the water line union if it's causing the leak. To remove this water line union, I suggest we're going to take this cover so we'll have a little play on the water lines. So it's a Phillips screwdriver that we need to take out, and then we can lift this off. And now I'm going to pull out this locking ring, and then we can press down on that collar here and pull this union off the tubing. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. Press that collar in and pull it off. You may have a little bit of water coming out, but not much. This is the old water line union next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So now we're going to install the new union. We're going to slide this on the tubing. If you see that black mark here, that's how far we need to push it on. Same thing here. We have another black line over there. I don't know if you saw it, but it's in. And we're going to place that locking ring back on. Now we're going to install the cover. We have 2 tabs on the top and 1 tab on the side that goes in these openings. And the blue hose goes under this clip here. And we're going to secure the cover with that Phillips screw. After we're done with all the tubing connecting, plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.